Hello, my name is Alida Suarez. I'm the Special Education Director. And today we're going to tell you a little bit about what's happening in our department. So we're starting to test students face-to-face. So we're bringing in students that have been referred to our department for a special education evaluation. And so we began by doing some training for our assessment staff, because the first priority in our department is to ensure that our students are safe and that our staff is safe. So we did some training with Ms. Diana Davila, and she did the COVID-19 safety training for our staff. And then we purchased all the PPE for our staff, and then we purchased some for our students also. The students are being scheduled by our staff. We also do some pre-screening when we call the parent and schedule the testing at the campuses. The parents are bringing them to the campus, and when they bring them to the campus, the nurses at the campus, they take their temperature and they ask them all the safety questions. We are able to put the mask on for them before they come in. We also have some shields for the students. We were able to have the maintenance department build us these little plexiglass dividers with a handle and an insert here, so that when we get ready, we use that for the students to keep our distance. And then of course we purchased all the PPE for our staff and for the students. We have the wipes, and we have the hand sanitizers. We have the gowns for our staff. We also have shields for them and N95 masks. Everything that they need in order to be prepared and be safe for the testing. We're going to demonstrate with one of my staff members all of the PPE. So we'd like to show everyone what it looks like and how we're ready to begin our testing.
Again, some of the PPE equipment that we have, that we've been provided with by Mrs. Suarez, would be our protective shield, which we're going to wear. Of course, we also have our goggles here that we'll use. Our goggles go on first, of course, and then our shield will go on top of that to help protect us. We also have protective gloves, our gowns are here, and then we also have, for the students, they will also wear a shield. And we also have baggies that we prepared in advance for the students. They have gloves in there for the students, and they also have a mask and pencils. So the student will be protected as well as we will be. When we're testing, we're usually about 3 to 4 feet away from the student. Now we will be using the plexiglass divider that Ms. Suarez demonstrated earlier, and we will slide our protocols and any testing booklets through the bottom of the protective shield, and the pencils will be provided as well under the shield for the student to use. Usually it takes us about 2 to 3 hours to test the student in just one area. So therefore, while we're testing, we have to make sure that not only the student is safe, that we're safe as well.
We also want to thank our principals and our custodial staff, because they're also ensuring that the classroom is clean and sanitized before we go in and after the students leave. We want to ensure that everyone knows that our priority is always the safety of the students and our staff. So we are doing everything possible to keep them safe, because we are having to do the face-to-face testing. So we want everyone to know that we have purchased everything that we need for the students and the staff, and ensure that everyone is safe.